Introduction. Hi there. Welcome to our video on how to earn money fast. In today's fast-paced world, it's common to feel stressed about making ends meet. But the good news is that there are many legitimate ways to earn money quickly, and I'll be sharing some practical tips with you in this 3-minute video. Understanding your time to start earning money fast. It's essential to understand your available time. Ask yourself, how many hours a week can I dedicate to earning extra cash? Be realistic. Consider your work schedule, family commitments, and other responsibilities. Let's say you have 5-10 hours a week to spare. Online opportunities. Now, let's explore some online opportunities that can help you earn money quickly. Freelance writing or editing. Online surveys or market research. Selling products on e-commerce sites like eBay, Amazon, or Etsy. Skills. To sell. To succeed in these online opportunities, you'll need to develop some basic skills. Don't worry if you're not an expert. Most of these skills can be learned quickly. Basic writing or typing skills. Photography and product listing. Communication and customer service. Getting started. Now that you've identified your available time and potential opportunities, it's time to get started. Here are some simple steps. Sign up for freelance platforms or online survey sites. Create a professional profile and portfolio. Start completing tasks or selling products. Remember to track your progress and stay motivated. Safety reminders. When exploring these opportunities, keep in mind some safety reminders. Be cautious of scams or fake job postings. Research companies thoroughly before committing. Set clear boundaries and expectations with clients. Conclusion. That's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to earn money fast. Remember, these opportunities are not get-rich-quick schemes. They require effort and dedication. Recap. Understand your available time. Explore online opportunities. Develop basic skills. Get started with simple steps. Stay safe and cautious. Call to action. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more educational content. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your experience with earning money quickly?